in 20th century, we are all familiar with the event called Malabar Rebellion, which took place in 1921. And this Malabar Rebellion actually was the culmination of these 19th century revolts. But the stage was different, and you could see that it was a merger of three important movements. One, of course, is the tenancy movement, that is the continuation from the 19th century. The second one was the non-cooperation movement initiated by Mahatma Gandhi, and the third one was the Khilafat movement, again jointly initiated by Ali brothers and Mahatma Gandhi. It was a rebellion both against the British and their local agents, that is the landlords. And the main participants of this revolt, of course, were the Muslim peasants or the Muslim sharecroppers. A religion has played a twin role in Malabar Rebellion. In the case of the Hindu peasants, it played a negative role, and in the case of the Muslim peasants, it played a positive role. So religion provided the ideology to these peasants to fight against their oppressors, whereas the Hindus, the caste groups within Hindu community were unable to fight against their masters in the caste hierarchy, because the landlords were Brahmins, locally known as Nampudiris. So there was that hurdle before them, whereas the Muslims had not got that kind of a hurdle. So once religion played a negative role in the case of the Hindu peasants, it played a positive role in the case of the Muslim peasants. You cannot imagine the type of exploitation that were subjected to, these peasants were subjected to during this entire British period, because they found that this landlord class was the local loyal collaborators, and then always the court and all the machinery stood firmly with this landlord class in whatever type of legal procedures were there. So ultimately, the Muslim peasants, as their ancestors did in the 19th century, in 1921, they revolted against their oppressors. But in this struggle, of course, the Congress party as well as Khilafat committee supported them. So we witnessed an unprecedented mass movement in Malabar Rebellion.